Welcome to the Shop add-on for Atlas Laravel directory listing tutorial. In this video, we'll guide you through how the Shop add-on works and how you can make the most of its powerful features. Let's get started. First, log in as an admin to access your powerful dashboard, designed to give you a clear, at-a-glance overview of your platform's performance. Next, head over to any listing page. Click on the Actions icon, and from the right side, select the Edit option. Now you'll notice a brand new feature, a tab labeled Shop. Inside the Shop tab, you'll find all the products and product categories you've created. To create a new product category, simply click on the Add Product Category button. Enter the name of your new category in the field provided, and then click Save. Within seconds, your new category will be successfully added and displayed. You can also edit or delete any category whenever you need. Click the Add New Product button to open the product form. Simply fill in the product name, select the category, set the price, add a description, upload a product image, and choose the product's availability, either available or not available. Once everything's set, just press Create, and your product is live in the system, just like that. Now let's take a look at the customer side. Log in as a customer and head over to the Listing Details page. Here, all available shop products are displayed for browsing and purchase. Customers can easily select their desired items and click on Confirm Order. To complete the order, the customer just needs to fill out a simple form with their name, email, phone number, address, and any additional notes. Once done, clicking the Confirm This Order button will successfully place the order. Customers can go to the My Orders section to track all their purchases. Each new order appears instantly. It's quick and transparent. Back in the admin panel, go to Order Manager under the My Shops menu. Here, you'll find all pending orders along with full delivery details. If a customer has completed payment, you can update the order status to Paid using the action icon. Once the product is delivered, mark it as delivered, and the order will move to the Delivered Orders tab. You can see. Admins can also view their own purchasing history from the My Orders submenu. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helps you better understand how the Shop add-on works. Start selling with confidence and give your customers a smooth shopping experience.